Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to Dr. Shumpei. My name is Wanur Aina Farhana binti Zaidi, S50744. So today I want to present my poster presentation, The Importance of Bioinvertebrate, entitled Cnidaria in the Marine Ecosystem. Let's start. So what is Cnidaria? The name Cnidaria that comes from the Greek word is Cnidos, which means stinging nettle. Phylum Cnidaria is a phylum of aquatic invertebrate animals that comprises the coelenterate. For the life cycle, they have two life cycle, which is a medusa and polyp. Medusa, they are act as dispersal stage and reproduces sexually, while for polyp, they reproduces asexually by budding of medusae. For the polymorphism, the situation in which individuals of a species exist in two or more different forms. So we can see in this picture, there are two types, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. So this is a egg fertilized with sperm, fertilization, zygote, planula larvae, mature polyp, and then this part is asexual reproduction, then portion of colony of polyps, medusa part, and then become a gonad in medusa, and this part is sexual reproduction. For the factors of depletion, there are a few factors, which is water temperature, water depth, light intensity, and they also suffered from human activity, which is lead to the global warming. Next is predators of Cnidaria. There are also predators that deplete the Cnidaria, which is a sea slug. Sea slug incorporate nematocysts into their own bodies for self-defense, while for starfish, the crown of thorns can devastate the corals, while for butterfly fish and parrotfish, they eat the corals, and the marine turtles, they eat the jellyfish. Next, we move on to the effect to the marine ecosystem if the phylum Cnidaria will deplete. Many aquatic organisms will lose their habitat, and as a coral reef, they give a complex and varied habitat to them. Some animals, such as a grouper, snapper, oyster, and clams, will lose their protection and cover. They will affect the ecosystem by water pollution, unsustainable fishing practices, global effect of climate change, which is lead a greenhouse gas emission that causes by humans and lead to warming ocean and become more acidic. So what is the importance of Cnidaria? Cnidaria, usually we use the coral skeletons used as a building matter. We can use as a cement, blocks, and so on. Next is a Cnidaria skeleton, usually used in jewelry. Other than that, as a human consumption in some area of Asia and North America. The phylum Cnidaria is also the centers of tourism in some tropical island that attracting the photographers, divers, and sports fishermen. Okay. Lastly is the for Hydra model system. Hydra is the one of the from phylum Cnidaria. This species as a model for egging studies. Used as a model for egging studies. They have pluripotent stem cells. They have an extensive capacity to regenerate and self-renew, defying the aging process. They also the ability to decouple the aging process from their life history, which present with a unique opportunity to obtain further insights into the aging process. Lastly, the ability to escape aging as a result of high levels of cell proliferation and regenerative capacity. So, we will see this is the timeline of aging in Hydra alligators maintained at 10 degrees Celsius as described by Yoshida et al. 2006. So we can see this is a days, day 0, we will move to 10 degrees Celsius, and then this is day 21, day 13 in egging phenotype. This is 100 and 120 days. Exponential increase in mortality, and lastly is 150 days. All animals are dead. Okay, so this is we can see the Hydra species that we use in invertebrate model system. Sorry. Thank you. That's all from me.